Ooh, it looks amazing. Hey guys, thank you for joining another episode of Mukbang with your host, Dongdigity. Today I'll be eating some king crab. I don't think it's king crab. I swear I got robbed. And this is a fish cake on a stick, which is called Mukbang in Korean. So it looks like this, the packaging. And packaging got to me and I bought it. Turns out it's just a crab stick. I got robbed. Look, it looks like it's a freaking like huge like what is that called? The claw part, but I should look more carefully. So I was kind of bitter, but what can I do, right? So these are the flavors like on the stick. There's a corn one, there's a squid one, and there's a spicy chili one. So, and to make it more beautiful on the spicy, I'm going to make it more spicy. Does it look pretty? And this is my first mukbang after I came back as a married man. So first of all, I want to thank every single one of you guys that always cheered me on and congratulate me on my wedding. I'm married, guys. Super happy, thrilled. Yes. You have no idea how blessed I feel, how thankful I am of every single one of you guys. And for those who came out to our wedding, thank you so much. So week before I was about to get married, I was super sick, like flu, and I was like, oh no, I'm done, like I'm screwed. Cause the wedding practice, I was dying. I was like oh no, you know, like my soul, like the mummy part. No, but anyway, so I was dying, and this is melted butter, which I thought I would be eating with my king crab leg, but I swear I got robbed. Yeah, it's a crab stick. But to be honest, it's pretty good actually. Put some hot sauce in there. Yep, and I'm pretty sure you guys are sick of me talking about my wedding because that's all I've been saying. But yeah, I was super sick. Even the night before the wedding, I was like, but now I feel kind of much better. Oh, the wedding was perfect. We maxed out on our capacity, but I was just so sad that I couldn't get to like have more personal time with all the people that was there, but hopefully we'll have other time to do that. Thank you, my friends. But overall, everything was great. Hopefully I could provide Kimmy with the best wedding that she wanted. So I got this for like $6-7. Honestly, just buy a crab stick, because it is. And Ahmed was perfect ring bearer. Zoomed in eating. Let's do this. So everything went perfect. And I'm so happy now that it's over. It is spicy. I like it. I think this could be like perfect little snacks. I was so happy that everything that we look for, like venue and hotel and all that, are dog friendly, so that Ahmed could just walk around freely with us. And it was so crazy, like so hectic. Saying hi to people. Where's Ahmed? I don't know. Okay, let's go for Ahmed in the middle of it, but other than that, it was all good. And especially, you know how I was worried about the whole dance part, first dance. I don't know why, but we ended up just not doing what we imagined, because Kimmy all of a sudden said, right now I am just blanking, like, "Dee." So I was like, it's okay baby, I got you, just follow my lead. But yeah, it wasn't perfect, but it doesn't matter. It's over and I loved it, and that's all that matters. This is a squid one. It's very flavorful. But honestly, that overwhelmed joy, I don't even know how to describe it. It's just, oh, like always. It was so beautiful. And I see why people get married. Like, I'm not saying married as like, oh, husband and, but like more like ceremony. Just everyone there. Basically, they're all here to celebrate Kimmy. And husband's more like accessory of that. We couldn't even keep it up, like where after wedding everybody was going out. I'm like, I don't know if I can. But then I wanted to. because you only do this once, right? So I'm like, okay, fine, we'll go out. And I'm looking for Kimmy. Kimmy's not there, and she's in the room like, I'm dying. And I'm like, what's wrong? I'm so tired. So I say, hey, baby, screw everything. Let's go, you and me, back to our hotel and just relax. So we went home. I think we needed like 3 days of rest. We didn't do anything, just lay in bed, knock out, wake up. Oh baby, and then let's eat something, and then knock out, and then wake up. Ahmed too. Ahmed was dying. All he did is sleep. Right? This is the corn flavor one. Do this right, okay? I'm making art, guys. Drip, drip, drip. But yeah, we didn't get videographer. We got more, we got photographer, but not videographer. Yes, look at that. Oh, let me. But yeah, we're still trying to recover. I don't know how tiring a wedding could be, but it was ultimate party, biggest party I ever done. So again, I'm so sorry. This probably will be the last video that I'll talk about our wedding, so sorry. I think in the beginning I was so nervous, but seeing how all my friends and grooms and they kind of, was like pumping me up and like, oh, let's do this, and seeing Kimmy just like, being more like, I'm not gonna be uptight about everything, it doesn't have to be perfect, let's just enjoy our day. And then I got a lot calmer, and then that's when I just became a little more loose. But you should see me in the beginning, I was just like, I couldn't even smile. And there were people, all my groomsmen were telling me to smile. smile, I'm like, definitely a whole day and night that I will never forget. My little brother said it was the happiest day ever in his life. Oh snap. Thank you guys for joining me today with my mukbang. Again, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate how, although we never really met in person, but only in the screen, right? But yeah, you guys all cheered us on and thanked us. Congratulated us, and I'm very thankful for that. And all my friends and family that came to my wedding, thank you so much. And I'm not sure, probably only 3 of those people that came to my wedding watches my video, but thank you guys. I appreciate how you guys took your time to come over to my wedding, our wedding, Kimmy's wedding. Thank you so much.
숨 쉴 수 있어서